Welcome back, students of 7th class. Once again, you all are welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, ISWA. Friends, in this video session, we will discuss about some questions of exercise 12A. This is chapter 12, simple interest. So, friends, we had discussed and we had applied the same formula so far, like SI is equal to P R T divided by 100. Okay, now there is no another new formula for solving questions, friend. So we have to move the next question onwards from question number 10. So let's get started. Question number 1, friends, says the principal is given. Now the principal P is given. This is 5,200 rupees. Okay, SI is given. SI simple interest is given 975 rupees. Okay, and time t is equal to given 2.5 year. Friends, here the question says find the rate. That means we have to find here R is equal to what. Now friends, this is P, SI, T and R. Here there are 4 variables is here, and now we had discussed and we had applied the formula SI many times in the previous video lecture. And SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Now we will apply the same. So first we have to change this time as improper fraction, friends. 2 to the 4, 1, 5 by 2 years. Okay, now we can apply the formula. From formula we can write the formula SI is equal to P multiplied by R multiplied by T divided by, friends, 100. Now the value of SI is given, friends. We have to remember, friends, only one formula, this formula, either SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. We can find out the value of P, R, T as well from here. Okay, after cross multiplication. Okay, now here SI is equal to given, put the value of SI 975 is equal to P. The value of P is 5, 2 times 0, and R that we have to find as it is T time 5 by 2 years. Okay, and divided by 100. Here 20 will get cancelled, friend. Okay, now this is 5, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, and 2 6 is 12. Now R is equal to, friends, now here 26 multiplied by 5 into R. Now R is equal to 9 divided 957 divided by, this is 26 is in denominator and this is 5. Here, friends, once place is 5, then 975 will cancel by 5. So 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, friends, 5 9 is 45, and 5 5 is 195. So now 195 divided by, friends, this is 26. Now see here, this will get cancelled by which? Now see, friends, now friends, see here 26, 13 2 is, friends, 13 2 is 26, and 13 15 times will get cancelled. So this is 15 divided by 2. So this could be written as, friend, 7.5%. This is per annum. So this is your required answer. I hope, friends, you will be grasped. Now next question is, now see, friends, next question number 12 says that Shanta borrowed 6,000 rupees from the State Bank of India for 3 years 8 months at 12% per annum. What amount will clear off her debt? The, friends, we have to find the amounts. Here Shanta borrowed 6,000. Borrowed means friends, the principal. The principal is the person who borrowed the rupees from another person or bank, that is called the borrowed. Borrow means principal. This is principal 6,000 is given, and here are 12% are, this is per annum friends, P for per, A for annum, and the time is given, time 3 years and 8 months. 3 years 8 months. Now we have to find friends, this is amount. Now first see here friends, first we have to find the SI from this given data, okay, then find the amount. But here friends, the T is in the terms of years as well and months, so we have to change month in terms of years. So now T is equal to, this is 3 years as it is, plus, so 8 month will change as year divided by 12. Now it becomes friends year, okay. Now this could be written as, this is 4 2 friends, 8 and 4 3. So this is 9 plus 2 divided by 3, we can say 11 by 3 years. So here the time is 11 by 3 years, okay. Now we are going to apply the same formula. SI is equal to, first we have to find the SI, then add SI to this P, we will get there. So SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. So P is here 6,000 multiplied by R, this is 12, and the time T is 11 divided by, yes, 3, and whole divided by 100. So the SI is equal to, 20 will get cancelled friends, 3 1 ja, this is 3 4 ja. So now 60 multiplied by 11 4 ja 44. Now here, so SI is becomes friends 2640. Okay, now A is equal to P plus SI, because the amount is nothing, amount includes friends initial amount, initial money means principal, as well as the interest means simple interest. That means we can say the sum of the principal and simple interest is called amount. So A is equal to, put the value of P, here is the P 6,000 plus SI 2,640. Now add them, this is 8,640 rupees. So this is required solution. I hope friends you will be understand. Now next question is, now friend here question number 13 says, while you are watching this video friends, take out books and read the question, page number 166, and 13 number question says, Hari borrowed 12,600 rupees from a money lender at 15% per annum, simple interest, okay. After 3 years he paid 7,070 rupees and gave a go to clear off the debt. What is the cost price of quote? Very simple friends, because the question say, the question is saying is that Hari borrowed the amounts. The borrowed amount means friends, borrowed means the principal. First write the given point. Here the P is equal to, we can add the P is here, P is equal to 12,600 rupees. So this is the borrowed money, money lender at 15% per annum. Rate R is equal to 15% per annum, which is given, okay. Simple interest. This and now after 3 years, that the time is given, here the T is given 3 years. After 3 years he paid, because he paid 7,070 rupees and gave a go to clear off a debt. Actually friends, so one thing is, because the person is Hari, because Hari had no such money that he paid the initial money as well as the interest. So this is why the Hari paid the 7,070 rupees and Hari had a got, okay. So Hari gave his goat to the money lender because Hari had no such money. Okay friends, so that we have to find the cost of the goat. We have to find here the cost of the goat. Now see, this is friends, P is given, R is given and T is given. Okay, here, and the amount is paid. Here the sum money is paid. Hari paid 7,070 rupees. But this is very least amount friends, because have a look, Hari borrowed 12,600 rupees. Okay, then Hari will have to, that means Hari would have to return the same money plus interest, which is given rate 15% per annum. But this is the very small money friends, because Hari was the very poor person. Okay, so this is why Hari gave his goat, okay, in order to pay the money with initial as well as the interest. Okay, so here friends, that means Hari paid money. This was paid friends, plus the cost of God. So this is the required money that is paid by Hari friends, because Hari had this money. Okay, and then Hari gave the goat to the money lender. So we have to find the cost of goat. Very simple friends. Here, now see friends, from this given points we have to find the SI friends. Okay, first SI find. Here friends, now from formula, SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. Because here friends, this is the P, so here is find the SI means simple interest. Okay, now here P is the value of P is 12,600 multiplied by R 15, and the time is given 3 years. This is 100. 20 will get cancelled friend. Now multiply 126 multiply by friend, this is 45. Now SI is equal to, after multiplying friends, we will get, now see friends, the SI is equal to 126 multiplied by 45 is equal to 5,670. So this is SI. Okay, that we have to Hari had to back this money to the money lender as well as this PI. So now the total amount that the Hari returned, total money that Hari returned to money lender. So the money lender is friends, this is P and plus SI, that is called the amount. Okay, so the P is 12,600 plus this is 5,670. So the becomes the value is, this is 0, this is 7, this is 1, 18,000. Look at 18,217 rupees. That means Hari will have to return 18,270 money to the money lender, but Hari had 7,070 rupees only. This is why Hari gave his goat to the money lender. So what about the cost? Now friend, very simple. If you subtract this amount, if you subtract this money from this total, then we will get the cost of the total. Because friends, have a look, this is the total money that Hari had to give to the lender. Okay, so now this is equal to this, yes, you know. Now we can write here from, now see friends, here actually Hari paid this money friends. Actually Hari paid this plus the cost of goat. So this is the total money that Hari paid to the money lender, and this total is equal to friends 18,270. Now friends, solve this is as it is friends. The cost of goat is equal to friends 18,270 minus, because 7,070 will go to right hand side with the negative sign. So the answer is friend, this is 0, this is 0, here is 2, and now this is 11 rupees. So the cost of goat, is equal to 11,200 rupees. Now see friends, question number 15 says a sum when reckoned at 7.5% per annum amounts to 3,920 in 3 years. Find this sum. Sum means friends principal. Here we have to find the principal. Suppose principal is x, whatever. Principal is what, that we have to find. Now R is given friends. R is equal to reckoned 7 and 1 by 2 half%. This is per annum. P for per, A for annum. Okay. Now amounts to this in 13 years. That means amounts 3,920, because suppose this is the initial amount, this is the sum means principal. After 3 years friends, the time is given 3 years. After 3 years this money will change as 3,920. So this is called the amount, because this amount is including the SI and principal as well. Okay, this is 3 years. So here friends, we have to find the P. Okay, let's suppose friends P is equal to X, says X, or either as it is P, that we have to find the P. Okay, no matter. Now see, from formula SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. First friends, we have to change this R in terms of improper fraction. This is 15 by 2%. Okay, now SI is equal to, here is P friends, this is R, this is SI. So this amount includes the assignment interest. Okay, now see friends, here SI is equal to P. We can find out, write the P as it is. This is R. R is friends, here R is 15 and 15 by 2%, and time is 3 divided by this is 100. But here one thing is the very problem friends. Here is the problem, because here there are two unknown values, means SI we don't know, and what about P we don't know. Okay, now here friends, first, so since A is equal to friends, this is P plus SI. Okay, now A is given 3 3,920. This is P plus SI. So SI becomes, friends, if we bring P left hand side with minus sign, this is minus P. Now we have to place the value of SI instead of this I as 3920 minus, now 3,920 minus P. Look at, friends, the value of SI is here 3,920 minus P as it is. Now this is our right hand side, this is 15 3 is 45, this is P, and this 2 will here come here and we multiply with 100, this is 200. So now, friends, after cross multiplication here, 45 P into 1, this is 45, this is 45 P is equal to, this is 3 9. This could be written as 2 multiplied by 100, this is 2 multiplied by 100, this is 3 9 200 multiplied by, this is 2, cross multiplication, and minus, this is 200 P. Okay, now erase, friends, this. Now from here, friends, have a look, this is 45, bring this 200 to the left hand side, this is 45 P as it is, and this is bring to plus 200 P is equal to, friends, this is 3 9, here, friends, 3 times 0, because here is the 2 0, here is the 1 0, means 3 0, 3 times 0 into 2. Now here, friends, 245, because 45 plus 245, this is 3 9 2, 3 times 0 multiply by 2. Now P is equal to, friends, here P is equal to 3 9 2, 3 times 0, or either we can change, friends, this is 200 2000, friends, because 2000 divided by this is 245. Here 3 times 0 will here, friends, now see 5 will get cancelled, this is, friends, 5 will get cancelled, 5 4 ja 20 and 5 9 ja 45. So here, friends, 5 4 ja 20, 2 times 0. Okay, now 7 7 ja, friends, 49, and here 7 5 ja 35, and 7 6 ja 42, 7 1 ja, friends, 7, and 7 8 ja 56. So P is equal to 8 multiplied by 400. Now this is 8 4 ja 3200, 3200. So this is required answer. This question is not very tough, friends, only calculation. First we have to find the value of SI in terms of P, then place the value of SI as in terms of P, and find out the value of P after calculation. Now see, friends, question number 16 says that a sum of money means principal, put at 11% per annum amounts to rupees 4,491 in 2 years 3 months. What will it amount to in 3 years at the same rate? Very simple. Now, friends, see, first write whatever the given. Here the sum of money put, that means the sum of money is unknown, friends, means that is P, that we have to first we have to find the P, then we can find the the amount that is required. Okay, first we have to find the P from the given. R is given, friends, R is equal to, this is 11%, this is per, and this is annum. Now the next is amounts to amount A is equal to given this is 4,491 rupees, and this is time is given friends, time is equal to 2 years and 3 months. So this could be changed as friends 3 months. Now change in terms of years, this is 2 years plus 3 months, this becomes friends year. Okay, now this is 3 1 ja and 3 4 ja, total years. So this is 2 plus 1 by 4 could be written as this is 9 by 4 years. Okay, now here first from here friends, this is the first statement. Okay, whatever the given is we copied, and now the second says what will it amount to in 3 years at the same rate. That means in the same second condition we have to find the amount in the time given. Time is given here 3 years. Okay, and now for this we have to find the friends principal. From here we have to find the principal SI, then apply here, we can easily find out the amount. Okay, A. So from this given friends, R is given, A is given. Okay, now SI is not given, so this question is as question number 15. Now we apply A is equal to friends P plus I. So A is given friends, this is 4,491 is equal to, this is could be SI and P plus SI. Now SI is equal to 4,491 minus P. Okay, so this is the first question. Now from formula, what formula friends? The formula is SI is equal to P into R into T divided by 100. So SI is given here 4,491 minus P is equal to, P is as it is now, R is, this is 11%, 11, and the time is friends, this is 9 by 4 and divided by 100. Why 9 by 4 friends? Take the LCM of 4 2 ja 8, 8 plus 1, this is 9 by 4. Okay, now here friends, very large calculation maybe is here. This becomes friends, this is cross multiplication as first right as it is, left hand side as it is. Okay, minus P, then here friends 11 9 ja 99. Okay, 99 P, so this is P friends, and divided by, this is 4 into 100, multiply by 4 into 100. Now after cross multiplication friends, here is the one hidden cross multiplication. This is same as friends, it's question number 15. From here after cross multiplication we can find the value of P. Okay, we can find the value of P, then we can easily find the amount. We can find the value of P and the value of SI. अगर P का मान अगर यहाँ से फाइंड हो जाएगा तो आप SI फाइंड कर सकते हैं. अब यहाँ पे P के वैल्यू रखेंगे फ्रेंड्स, और A इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा, P प्लस SI. ओके, तो यहाँ पे गिवन क्या है 3, तो यहाँ पे SI की जो वैल्यू यहाँ से फाइंड करेंगे. ओके, सबसे पहले P की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. ओके, सेम P फ्रॉम हेयर. नाउ आफ्टरवर्ड्स फ्रेंड्स, so the second condition that we need the value of amount A. Okay, and the question says time is given 3 years, rate as it is 11%. Okay, now if you find here P, suppose P is equal to X friends. Okay, then from here we can easily find out the SI. आप यहाँ से SI की वैल्यू फाइंड कर सकते हैं. यहाँ से अगर जो P की वैल्यू आएगी उससे SI इज इक्वल टू P इंटू R इंटू 2 T. SI की जो वैल्यू आएगा फ्रेंड्स, सपोज SI इज इक्वल टू Y, देन A कैन बी रिटेन एज A इज इक्वल टू फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज P प्लस SI. सो P की वैल्यू X ऑलरेडी आया हुआ है, SI की वैल्यू Y. ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा आंसर. सो प्लीज डू योर सेल्फ, प्लीज डू इट फ्रेंड्स, एंड यू कैन डू इट.